Take command of the road in the 2010 Dodge Nitro. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, rear wipers, and power windows. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.